Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change or adjust the margins of your page in MS Word. So first let's open our MS Word document. Here you can see that if I want to change the margins of this page, what I can do is simply click on the layout tab right here. Once I click on the page layout tab, I can see the first option as the margins option right here. Simply click on the adjust margin button and it will show you some preferences or some predefined margin options like last custom settings, normal margin, narrow margins, moderate margin or wide margin. You may also choose mirrored margin and Office 2003 default margins as well. Now, if you want none of these and you want to add your custom own margins, then you can simply click on this custom margins button at the bottom. Once you click on it, a dialog box will appear and we have to focus on this margins button right here. In these margins options, you can simply choose the position of the top margin. So for example, if I will type 3 here, so uh, it will leave a gap of 3 centimeters at the top position. Now similarly goes for the left position as well. For example, if I select 3 here as well, a 3 centimeter gap will be given at this position right here. Now same for the bottom as well. Let's do it to the 3 as well, and similarly for the right position as well. Now once we have defined all of the positions, you can choose the gutter size as well and the gutter position as well. So if you don't know what a gutter is an extra margin which is added to the binding side of a page. So it provides additional space to prevent text from being obscured when the document is being bound together. So in order to add any gutter margin, you can simply type the value or in centimeters that you want to leave as a gutter margin. So for example, I want a 1 centimeter gutter margin, and then you can choose the position. So usually the binding occurs from the left hand side of any document, so you can choose it to remain at left or any other position that you want. So then once you have set out all of these configurations, you can simply click on this OK button right here. And once you will click on the OK button, you can see that the necessary changes have been successfully applied to your document. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.